Today we surprised him after school. He didn't see it coming and see the reaction. Oh, my baby. Come in, Dad, Mom.
Good afternoon, Mommy.
Afternoon.
I'm fine.
Just
great.
Go and change and come back, ne?
Okay.
And see what Daddy buy for you.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Yeah. Must come to Mama. Where's your shoe? Okay. It's fine. Come. Come to Mama.
Straight like that.
Come. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Let's see what Daddy buys for you. What Daddy buys for you.
Can you guess what I bought for you, boy?
I guess a car.
A car? Who told you it's a car?
And the other thing is what? What do you think it is?
Jesus. What do you think I bought for you, my boy? Which other thing? Who told you I bought other thing? Are you the one who bought it?
Hey, now you bought it. I couldn't say it's a car. And you
My
say
boy,
it's a car.
what do you think I bought for you?
I think you bought me a car.
Okay, why do you think it was a car? Talk now. Ta-da! In the count of 3,
You must.
open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
Surprise!
Let's buy you shoes.
I
You know
bought
your
you
shoes,
shoes.
the
I
way.
bought you shoes. Those shoes are not nice anymore.
Come, let me help you. Come and sit here.
See your surprise. Do you
See
like your
your
surprise?
You like it?
You like it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Are you
I
sure?
think it was a car, eh? Sorry, no.
Sorry, boy.
I'll buy a car some other time, eh? Eh? But this one, see how beautiful they are in your leg.
See.
Aww. Say that about show me. You don't need to be washing this one every time, like you know. I say, go and wash your shoe. Go and wash your
Let's
shoe.
see. Walk to the
And I got your size, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I told you.
Ah.
Do you like your shoe?
Yes,
Are you
baby.
sure?
Yes, I
Are you
like
sure?
them so much.
Aww. You sound better. You sound more thing. Okay. You know what? Just close your eye. Let me disappear and come back. I want to disappear and appear. I can do it. There's power in me. Let me show you the power in me.
They don't want to disappear. You want to play hide and seek.
Yeah.
Must go and look Daddy. Must go and find Daddy.
Yes.
Okay.
I disappear. I'm here.
Ta-da! This is a plan.
What is in there? You don't even know.
What is in there?
What do you think is there?
Yeah, you must guess.
You must guess. If you guess right,
You must
let me
guess.
tell you, if you guess right, I'll give you with another present. If you don't guess right, you will not get it. It will belong to Daddy.
Okay.
Tell
Okay,
me, guess.
so what
do you
is
think
it?
is in there? Try.
Guess.
Try, boy.
Try. You see it's covered.
Yes.
So what is there? What do you think?
I think it's
I'm ready to clap. Yeah, see, try.
I'm waiting. We are waiting.
I think it's like a gun.
Oh,
gun.
those gone, those beautiful ones. They're always long like this. I'll give you 3 options. 1, you get in there. 1.
The other one, what do you think
The other
again?
one, what do you think? I'll give you 3 options.
The other one, I think it's a what is this?
Don't be nervous. I can see the nervousness in your face. Talk.
What else? What else? If it's not a gun, it's gonna be what?
3. Remain 2.
I think it's a what is this? It's what is this? This cars that's they run in the road.
They run
The
in
one,
the road.
which one run in the road?
It's like you see like it's a road.
Okay.
Oh, that's his own road.
Yes.
Oh, how you put it that you set the road on the floor. It will be running, yeah. Okay, 2. And the third one?
The third one, you think is what?
The third one, I think it's a
Try.
Characters.
Huh? Characters. You are brilliant. I love that boy. Come on, read it yourself. Yeah.
Reveal
Unveil it yourself. Open it yourself.
Open
Let's see what is there. Open it yourself, my boy.
Open.
Open.
Open anyhow. Open anyhow.
Stand up, boy. Stand up, here. Yeah, open it yourself. Yeah, open it. Wow. We're getting there. Wow, we're getting there. We are getting there. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, God. What is this? What name is this, my boy? What name is this?
Lamborghini.
Oh my goodness, God. Lamborghini what? Lamborghini. You deserve better, boy. Okay? You see? It's so beautiful.
Open.
You love it already. Aww.
Open it, baby. Let me open.
Oh, my boy love it already.
My boy love it already.
Love it already, boy.
I love him more now.
You love me more.
You love daddy more.
Are you sure, boy? Are you sure, my boy?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you very, very sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
It's coming out again.
Yay!
Again.
Wow.
Since it's the battery, they need to be charged. You can just turn it. I think the remote. Yeah, we need to scroll it. You see that? You see that? It's so beautiful. That's it. We want to unbox everything. You keep all this network?
Yes. Thank you, baby.
Thank you, mommy, too.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome,
This
my
is the
dear.
best. Because so mommy was reminding me, you need to buy this, you need to buy that. Yeah?
Thank you, my baby.
So, that's
You
okay.
like it?
Just go and buy it.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
No, the one for the inside there. Okay.
See the mirror to see what is going on.
Yeah, this is the battery.
Okay, you need to screw. And when you are turning, you'll be pressing. Lamborghini.
Stand up.
See the brake. There's light. Even at the back, there's light. See?
Yeah.
Wow. Now you can see. Let's go back. Let's turn so I can see the back. You are in a good way. See? Come on, I'm trying to.